In this video, we're going to talk to you guys about a detailed roadmap on how to make 10K a month in 2022 cleaning windows. You can learn how to clean a window in as little as an hour just through watching like YouTube videos on how to clean a window. And then you can actually make $150 an hour once you learn how to do it properly. And I'm not just pulling that number out of somewhere. I know that because that's what we bill out at Orange Window Cleaning for our technicians in the field. Now, when you're driving around, I want you to do me a favor. I want you to look at all the buildings around you. You notice something? Every building has glass on it. I want you to throw away any scarcity mentality you have when it comes to getting customers for your window cleaning business. Because always remember, every building has glass. And guess what? These windows get dirty every couple of months, so somebody needs to clean them. Step one, take care of basics. Pick a name, don't overthink it. Way too many people overthink their name when they're getting started. Pick Bob's Window Cleaning for all I care. You can still make 10K a month with Bob's Window Cleaning or some fancy name, right? Just pick a name, get it over with. And then you're gonna need to get a logo, and you can get that done on Fiverr for 10, 15 bucks, or you can do it yourself on Canva. Both work. And then after that, you need to get registered on all free business directories. So the top 3 are Google My Business, Yelp, and Facebook. Step 2, you need equipment. Now, rather than sitting here and talking you through every piece of equipment you need, I've just included a link down in the description that includes any equipment you need, how much it costs, where to get it, and why you need it. So click that link, take a look at the equipment, and start buying some of that stuff so you can get started. Step 3 is organic marketing. I'm assuming you don't want to put any money into ads to begin, and I think that's the best way to go personally, because you're spending your time or you're getting creative with your customer acquisition, and if you can pay 0 for it, the more profit in your pocket. First thing you do is get your friends and family to review you on Google, and bonus points if you actually go and clean windows at their house, because that's how you learn how to get the hang of it, and you're not practicing on somebody who's like paying you for the first time and doing a crappy job. So highly recommend doing that, but get the Google reviews. Don't ask your family and friends for reviews on Yelp though, because Yelp will remove them. So just focus on Google to start. You need to land your first job to get word of mouth going for you. So next door neighborhoods, local Facebook groups, and Craigslist are gonna be your best friend during the stage. I want you to post, that, hey, my name's Johnny. I'm starting up this window cleaning company. I give free estimates. It's really important you say free estimates, and it's really important you do them in person to start, because that way you can build rapport with the customer and you have a higher likelihood of closing that customer, because now you guys are face to face, you guys are getting a vibe for each other. You can kind of start to ask questions about them, and that'll get them to like you a little bit more, which then again increases your chances to close. Now we get into pricing. So depending on where you live, you can charge anywhere from $12 to $16 per window. You might be wondering how to count a window. We count a window as any window that has 2 panes of glass that slides left and right or up and down, has a track and a screen on it. Most houses will have windows that look like this. Now in this picture, I would count this as 3 separate windows, because each window has 2 panes of glass that slide up and down and a screen on it. It's also really important that you implement service minimum to go out and service jobs. I recommend doing a $249 minimum for inside and out cleaning. That includes the track screens and the sills. And then I recommend doing a $150 minimum for just doing exterior cleaning plus the screens. Trust me when I say this, Sergio and I have done jobs where we didn't have a minimum and we were charging 10 bucks a window. They had only 4 windows and we drove all the way out there for $40. You don't want to do that. Learn from us. The $250 minimum is going to be on 16 windows or less. The key part to growing here as you start to land more jobs is going to be referrals and reviews. Always remember that. Referrals, reviews, referrals, reviews. You ask your customer at the end of the job after you've done your walk around and they look at their windows and they're really happy. You ask them, hey, if you don't mind, I'm trying to grow my business. If I can stay at the top of Google, I continue to get more jobs. So a review is really appreciated, but there's no obligation. It's only if you're happy and you like the job. Most of the time you'll get a review. Aside from asking for the review, you should also be asking for a referral, right? Excuse me, Miss Johnson. I really appreciate you for having me out and giving me the opportunity to clean your windows. If you have any friends or family, I'm just getting started, I would appreciate any referrals or anybody you know that would like their windows cleaned. 9 times out of 10, they're gonna be more than happy to refer you out, especially because you're gonna do a great job. The whole goal about the reviews though is to show up organically on the Google My Business 3-pack just like this. You tell me, after looking at that picture, who are you gonna book with? You're gonna book with the company that has the most reviews. So that's your goal. Step 4 is rinse and repeat. So as long as you continue to get reviews, you'll start to rank on Google My Business organically, and you'll start to acquire more customers organically. You combine this with word of mouth as you start to stack more customers. There's no reason you shouldn't be at $10,000 a month profit in your first 3 to 4 months. If you guys liked a video like that, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We're gonna be posting more content like this, more about window cleaning businesses, how to start them, how to scale them. So this is just the first first entry in that series. But again, like, subscribe, notification bell. We'll see you in the next one.